Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share you how we will download UX apps in mobile and install software that are required to get your updates in mobile. So let's start the video. The first thing you have to go into the Google and search UX app TCS. The first you will get the first link you will get of auth.ultimatics.net. You have to click on there. After clicking you will find that you on the below you will find that get started open https uxapp.ultimatix.net. You have to click on ultimatix.net. After successful completion you will find as introduction ultimatix apps. Before that you have to log in using your credentials, that is employee id and your method on which you will use either authcode or easy auth method. Okay, after this you have to click on this, that then the login window will get login and you will find this introduction introducing ultimatix apps one stop portal for mobile application, and you will find here your name, employee id and your email id with which you log in. Okay, after this you have to simply click on download ultimatix apps. After clicking this you have to check the privacy notice and terms of use. You have to click here. I have read the privacy notice and terms of use. You have to click download. Okay, now your downloading will automatically start. As you have seen that I have already installed, so you will download and install this and you will see the steps to install. We have the first steps, security, then the turn on source. These are some install. After this you have to complete and install UX app in mobile. After that you will find a lot of apps inside that will make your task more easier. Okay, so this is all about today video. So thank you, have a nice day.